The word is lodge, meaning a small house or cabin, often used for temporary staying. Usage: we stayed at a hunting lodge during our weekend trip.
The word is crisp, meaning firm, dry, and easily broken, sharp and clean. Usage: the cold weather made the leaves very crisp underfoot.
The word is glimpse, meaning a very quick and incomplete view or look. Usage: she only caught a brief glimpse of the parade before the bus moved.